Hi! Today I've prepared a new recipe for us that is Kalbi. The dish originally dates back to the Joseon dynasty and it was cooked for the king in the palace long ago. There's a story the king was concerned that he would lose his dignity if he ate kalbi like the people. So a cook made it easy to eat and this soft version of kalbi was born. Over time, this recipe has been handed down across many Korean cities and each has developed the recipe in its own way. So now we have many ways to make this taste dish. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to make it. Are you ready to be the king of the Joseon dynasty? Here we go! For the main ingredient, we need 600 grams of minced beef, 400 grams of minced pork, half a green onion, and quarter an onion. First, I'm going to spread the meat out on the kitchen towel and let them sit there for about 10 minutes to remove blood and moisture. In the meantime, let's chop the green onion and onion. Put the meat in a bowl and mix it roughly like this. Next, season with 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of oligosaccharide, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of ginger juice, and 4 tablespoons of green plum juice. And add the chopped veggies as well. Now is when you need your strength. Let's knead it 100 times. We are going to make our dough in the shape of a rounded flat. And this is a little tip. If you make the center a bit thinner, it will cook better. Turn on your stove to medium low, spread a little oil, and grill your tteok. When it is cooked well, add some glass with the topping sauce. Just so you know, you don't need to eat them all at one time. You can keep it in the freezer and cook it later. They will stay fresh for a month. How was this recipe? I really thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to push the subscribe button and like it. I will be back with another nice recipe next week. See you!